The Sikorsky CH-53E Super Stallion is the largest and heaviest helicopter in the United States military. It was developed from the CH-53 Sea Stallion, primarily by adding a third engine. Sailors and Marines commonly refer to the Super Stallion as the Stormmaker because of the helicopter's resulting downwash. It was built by Sikorsky Aircraft for the United States Marine Corps. The less common MH-53E Sea Dragon meets the needs of the United States Navy for long-range mine clearance or airborne mine countermeasures missions, and performs heavy lift duties for the Navy. The CH-53E and MH-53E were designated S-80 by Sikorsky. There are currently 152 CH-53E aircraft in operation. The Super Stallion incorporates GPS, Doppler radar, FLIR, and ANVIS HUD sensors, and carries 7.62 mm and 50 caliber guns, as mission kits. Communication, including UHF, VHF, HF radio, secure communication. Ability, and IFF. Currently unavailable for purchase. There is a requirement to operate the CH-53E through 2025, which requires the Service Life Extension Program. The CH-53E is armed with a window-mounted .50 caliber machine gun, chaff and flare dispensers for anti-air defense, an in-flight refueling probe for unlimited range, and a forward-looking infrared or FLIR imager for night and all-weather navigation. Marine CH-53E is generally used for transporting the attack of Marine ground forces. Although long-range insertion missions were standard procedure for these Marine workhorses, it was the Super Stallion's rapid supply of Marines at the front that made it one of Naval Aviation's most widely used aircraft. The Navy requested a CH-53E version for the aerial mine countermeasures role, designated MH-53E Sea Dragon. It has enlarged the sponge to provide much greater fuel storage and durability. It also retained an in-flight refueling probe, and could be fitted with up to 7 300 US gallon fuel tanks internally. The MH-53E's digital flight control system includes features specifically designed to assist in towing minesweeping equipment. The CH-53E is a continuation of its predecessor, the CH-53D. Improvements included the addition of a third engine to give the aircraft the ability to lift most of the Navy's equipment, a dual-point cargo latch system, upgraded main rotor blades, and composite tail rotor blades. The dual digital automatic flight control system and engine anti-ice system give the aircraft all-weather capability. The helicopter seats 37 passengers in its normal configuration and has provisions for carrying 55 passengers with the middle seats installed. With the double-point latch system, it can carry external loads at increased airspeeds due to the stability achieved with the double-point system. As a Marine Corps heavy transport helicopter designed for the transport of materials and supplies, the CH-53E is compatible with most amphibious-class ships and is carried regularly aboard LHA, LPH and now LHD-type ships. The helicopter is capable of lifting 16 tons at sea level, transporting cargo up to 50 nautical miles and back again. Typical payloads are a 16,000-pound M198 howitzer or a 26,000-pound light armored vehicle. The aircraft can also retrieve downed aircraft including other CH-53Es. Marine Corps heavy transport helicopters can carry a 26,000-pound light armored vehicle, 16 tons of cargo 50 miles and back, or enough combat-loaded Marines to lead an attack or humanitarian operation. While powerful enough to lift every aircraft in the Navy's inventory except the KC-130, the CH-53E Super Stallion is compact enough to deploy on an amphibious assault ship, and has the armament, speed, and agility to qualify for more than a heavy lifter.